everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make Tom Yum Soup. It's Asian dish. Tom Yum Soup we usually use as a side dish. We eat together with rice or with other meal. So yeah, I was asked by a gentleman who worked at the organic shop that I regularly shop there, and he said he's having somebody over and he want to know how to make Tom Yum soup. I said, okay, I'll make a video for you. And so here we are. Let's go get cooking. Today's recipe is adapted recipe. It's not original. It's for autoimmune diet or anti-inflammatory diet. So here I got spices chopped up. Here I have galangal root, lemongrass and ginger, and then carrots I put here for the sweetness and for the color, and here also some cherry tomatoes will put at the end of the cooking. Also I have other spice that is turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon, black cumin seed 1 teaspoon. We are going to blend this up, make tom yum paste, and we're going to fry that until it's gold and give that aroma. So also some other vegetable we're going to put into this recipe is mixed vegetable that I cut here: celery, carrot, green bean, and some parsnip, and also here mushroom, and young coconut meat, which is really sweet and yummy. We're going to put that, and I cut from this coconut, and we're gonna use lemon, some coconut milk, and then here I have 3 cups of vegetable broth, which I got it from the supermarket. It's home brand. And then we got the garnish our soup, our tom yum soup, with some some lemon thymes. So that's gonna be at the end. So we're going to now make tom yum paste. If you feel that it's too spicy for you to put all these spices, just reduce the amount. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to blend these ingredients, all the spices, with coconut milk. So here already I made this curry paste that we use turmeric, black cumin seed, ginger, lemongrass, and galangal root with coconut milk. It's all mixed up, and now I'm going to fry this and until it's brown, it's gold, and it gives that good aroma, and so that you can add your broth in there and vegetable. And then yeah, here everybody, so I got my pot heat up. I'm just gonna pour oil here, about 1 tablespoon in there to fry the curry paste, the tom yum soup paste that I just made. Now the oil heat up, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the paste into the oil. Let it fry a little bit. We will fry this until it's gold and give that good aroma before we adding soup or broth in there. So here the paste turning gold. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the broth onto this paste, and we'll make soup. So for the broth, you can use bone broth, chicken broth, but today I'm using vegetable broth. This broth you can get it from your local health shop. So just give it a stir. Make sure that the paste and the soup blend together really well, and let it boil for some time. In this recipe, I don't put garlic, onion, or pepper because I actually have reaction to those food items. But if you don't have any problem in consuming them, then you can go ahead and add them. But for me, I can't. So here I'm going to add the mixed cut vegetable in there. You can see that I use parsnip here. That's to substitute the potato. So you can see that I put parsnip in there. This is because I like them, because they taste very similar to potato. I don't eat potato anymore, so I use parsnip. And also parsnip is very good for support immune function. It's high in antioxidants, also promoting weight loss. So if you would like to lose weight, I would suggest that you eat parsnip rather than eating potato, because like I said, parsnip is full of goodness. We're going to add salt in the end, but at the moment we're just gonna let it cook. So to let it cook faster, I'm just gonna put lid on and leave it to cook for some time. So after 5 minutes of boiling, I'm going to check if the vegetable is cooked. So yeah, it's cooked, and so I'm going to add the mushroom and the young coconut meat into the soup. So there are about 3 mushrooms that cut up. To the next is to flavor them up. So I add Himalayan salt, like I said, cherry tomatoes, lemon. I don't usually measure my salt. I will just put in 1 teaspoon to see how that goes, because I believe that in broth it's already got some salt. So I will just try with 1 teaspoon first. We'll taste that, and I think I need a little bit of more salt, so I think it's about half a teaspoon will be okay. So we'll go ahead and add it. Just a half a teaspoon. Just, oh, it's just jumping there. Yeah, we'll just cut like half. Just like that. And I got lemon. Just cut up the lemon. So lemon got seed. Just make sure that the seed doesn't fall into the soup. We'll just squeeze that out here first, and then put it in the soup. So if you like sour soup, just add more. I like sour food, so I'm gonna add more. So I lower the flame. So you're not supposed to cook the lemon in high heat, okay? Or you can just turn off the flame and then squeeze that in. Now I turn the flame off, so I think the mushrooms already cooked, and then I'll mix that. We'll taste this. This is delicious. Delicious Tom Yum Soup. Yum yum. So yeah, that's Tom Yum Soup for lunch today. So guys, I hope you will like this recipe and give it a try. If you have any comments, put comments below and subscribe to my channel for good recipe coming. Thank you.